Welcome to Psychological Wisdom, my dear friends. Mind is a very important role player in our life. If you don't have mental strength, determination, one cannot do anything or cannot be an achiever. It's not possible that every time one can be positive. It's not possible every time one can be happy. It's not possible that every time one can be enthusiastic. Actually, mind is a very neutral part of our body. It's our vata, it's our internal pressures. When internal pressures are disturbed, mind also gets disturbed. So body is psychosomatic. You can't separate body from the mind because mind is present in each and every cell of human body. Try to keep your pressures very relaxed, and that's only possible if you sleep good, if you eat balanced, and if you live balanced life. The reason for all problems is when your energy within you get affected. Because of many reasons, it can be because of the work pressures or because of something which is not happening. And nowadays one more thing has been added, and that is corona. So my one very important advice is, if you want to keep your mind relaxed, you have to correct your vata. And to correct vata, most important is causative factors of the vata. What are those? Overstretch, overtaxing. Don't do that. Just work very calm, relax. If you have lot of workload, you can't avoid it. Because if you avoid, you will be more under pressure. And you have to do it, it's your responsibility. But take rest in the middle. Go slow and steady. Don't run very fast. And don't think about results. Just enjoy the process. You will see that you will be successful. Mind is the main reason for your success. But what makes your mind uplifted? Everyone can be sad or can be depressed or unhappy. But when it happens, you have to correct it by correcting your physical health only. Remember this. So keep your diet good, eat well, and try to observe your hunger. If you have a good hunger, try to eat food which is helpful for your body. Like people say that don't take ghee and all, but actually, if your body is dry, mind cannot be happy. So keep your body oiled by taking oil or ghee little bit every day. Don't worry. But if you have a fear of cholesterol, do exercise, but don't stop that. Another thing, those who are vegans, they can take oil always, but those who are lacto-vegans, they can take ghee also, like butter. It's very important. You will surprise that I'm talking about that it's a medicine for mind. Yes, because if vata is very high, mind get more disturbed. So how to make your mind strong? That is possible by correcting your vata. Keep yourself very calm and balanced. And if your mind is balanced, you can handle any problem. Go very calm and cool under any type of tough circumstances. I know it's a corona time going on. It's not easy for anyone. So what? Try to be positive, eat well, sleep well, and keep your mind well. Thank you.